Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out the Super Bowl lease-off squares request sheet through SharePoint. So in SharePoint there is a link called Super Bowl Lease-off 2025-overview. You'll click that link and then this is your starting page that it shows you. So if you need to put your username and password in just how you normally do, press sign in and it's going to bring you to this survey. So you'll say respond to this survey and you'll fill out your name, your community name, the applicant's name of the lease you got, your first requested square, so any number, and please fill out the alternate squares just in case you don't get your first choice. So if I were to fill this out, I'd say Sydney Yates, my community is Princeton, and application name would be Stephanie. So I requested my 3 numbers and you press finish and that's it. Thanks everyone.